Good evening, everybody. This is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. It's Monday evening. I hope everybody's doing well. It was a good day today in the markets on Monday, February 26th. Can you believe February's almost over? I mean, we're almost a sixth of the way through the year. How fast it goes. Anyway, this is a picture of Apple, and you can see where it fell and it bounced back and, gapped up today. At MissionWinners.com, one of the things I like to do is to teach people. And then I share everything I've got. I don't have any secrets, but knowledge is power. And so I love to impart some of that knowledge with people to help them, to speed up their learning curve, to help them become more profitable faster. And this is an investment strategy that I've used, or tactic, for years, okay? And by the way, I don't know where I got it from. It's not my idea, okay? I'm not going to be saying all that. But I've studied some really great investors through the years. Met a couple of really great investors, and this is something that I just wanted to share with you. One of the things I have is I have what's called the max list. The max list is the stocks that the institutions have to own at certain times. They are the big name stocks. They are the max list. And this list was put together. Max list came out long before FANG. Anybody ever heard of FANG? Okay, they're big names. They're Apple, Amazon, Avgo, Alibaba, Baidu, Caterpillar, Facebook, Google, Goldman Sachs, MasterCard, Netflix, Priceline, Tesla, Twitter, Visa. Big name stocks. Big names. Franchises. They're leaders in their field. Nobody does what Amazon does as good as Amazon does it. Nobody does what Facebook does as good as Facebook does it. The same thing's true with Netflix. The same thing's true with Google, on down the line. MasterCard, Tesla, their niche, Twitter. So one of the tactics I use is this. Every night near the close, I go in and scan charts. And I look for stocks that are closing strong when the market's strong on a pickup in volume that historically on these max list stocks have the potential to gap up the next day. I'm going to show you an example right here. Closes strong, gaps up the next day. That's the kind of stuff we're looking for, coming out of some sort of a pattern. Here's Apple. This is Friday's close. Friday's close. About 5 minutes before the close, I told the VIP members, buying Apple. Buying Apple at the close. And what did it do today? It did this. And that's a good move. In one day, that's a really good move. So here's the setup. Closes strong, coming out of some semblance of a pattern on a pickup in volume. Closes near the highs of the day. These are all constraints I'm looking for. And we bought it, and there it goes. Apple. Take a note of that. Apple. Here's another one for you. Amazon. We did not do Amazon at the close. And here's why. We already own it down lower. And look at this. I'm going to take it back one day. This is what I was looking at Friday at the close. Had kind of a pennant formation, but volume really wasn't that great. We're in it down lower, so I said, well, why mess this thing up if it doesn't work? So we just let our shares work. And yes, it gapped up some today and moved up nicely, and that's great to see. Avgo really didn't do anything Friday into the close. It closed up on low volume. We didn't do it. Alibaba, given what I just said, do you think we did Alibaba Friday? It closed up. It closed near its highs. It closed up on a pickup in volume. And right near the close, I told the VIP members, buying Alibaba. And it gapped up this morning. We sold some into strength. It pulled back. We still have some, and we're profitable in the investment, the trade, which is nice. Baidu closed okay, but on low volume. We didn't do Baidu. Caterpillar closed up volume, which is so we didn't do it. Facebook closed, big volume day, lifting through the 50-day, slight volume increase, closed right near the highs. So I ask you, do you think we did Facebook? Will you get the gold star? Yes, we did. We bought Facebook and gapped up here, sold a little bit into strength, and we still have it. Google closed strong on Friday, but on low volume. So we didn't do it. You say, well, Pat, it gapped up. I have to have rules. If I start bending all my rules pretty soon, then what's the use of having rules? Goldman Sachs closed up, but no volume. MasterCard up on low volume, nothing. Netflix was low volume right here. I did Netflix, but there's a reason why. You see this long base? That's a leader. This is one of the stocks it's refused to fall. So yes, did we do Netflix? You bet we did. You bet we did. And just to show you, there was one other that is not a max list. These are the stocks, okay? And right here, there's the actual alert. The Mission Winners Locked Feed, February 23rd. Buying, adding, small, Facebook, BABA. I know it says NVLX, but it was Netflix, okay? And you can say, oh, they could have made a mistake, Pat. You can double check. There's no Netflix out. There's no NVLX out there. It was Netflix, and everybody knew about it. Apple, and then the other one that was an interesting one was what? We were paid nicely on these. Real nice. I scan the max list every night at about 10 minutes, 5 minutes to the close, looking for potential gap ups the next day, and I tell the VIP members about it. Folks, if you bought just a little bit of this, and this, guess what? You just had yourself a really good day. In fact, you could have had yourself a really good week. Really good week. And I'll round it out and just tell you, we've known Amazon for a while, from in here and in here, and it's just grinding on up nicely for us. I wanted to share that with you just to explain how we scan for potential gap ups the next day. It's part of the routine, and again, I do it and I share the findings with the VIP members well before the close to give them the opportunity to buy the stocks also. And I don't front run. I'll tell you that right up front. And I ain't big enough that I'm going to move. You think I'm going to move Amazon or Apple? Give me a break. No. But we buy them, we take them. So wanted to share that with you. That's a tactic that we've used. It's a tactic that I have used for years. And it works. Thank you very much, and I hope this helps you.